কলকাতায় হয়ে গেল অ্যাব্রড এডুভার্সিটির এডুফেস্ট 3। 32টি বেশির দেশের প্রায় 1600 বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের সাথে সহযোগিতার মাধ্যমে ওয়ার্ডসিয়াস শিক্ষা পরামর্শদাতা হিসেবে কাজ করে চলেছে অ্যাব্রড এডুভার্সিটি। শনিবার কলকাতার পার্ক হোটেলে অনুষ্ঠিত হলো এডুফেস্ট 3। এর আয়োজন ছিল অসাধারণ সাফল্য। এদিন কলকাতার পার্শ্ববর্তী এলাকা থেকে শিক্ষার্থীরা বিভিন্ন বিষয়ে সুলভ সন্ধান নিতে অনুষ্ঠানে যোগদান করেন। এই ইভেন্টটি শিক্ষার্থীদের একই প্ল্যাটফর্মে বিভিন্ন সুযোগ নিয়ে এসেছে এবং অ্যাব্রড ইউনিভার্সিটির নির্দেশিকা অনুসারে বিশ্বব্যাপী বিভিন্ন বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় বেছে নেওয়ার সুযোগ পাবে শিক্ষার্থীরা, তাও সম্পূর্ণ বিনামূল্যে। তারা শিক্ষার্থীদের বিভিন্ন গন্তব্যে শিক্ষা, ঋণ, আবাসন এবং খণ্ডকালীন চাকরির জন্য শেষ থেকে শেষ সহায়তা প্রদান করে। এই অনুষ্ঠানের জন্য গেডু এবং অন্যান্য বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়গুলির টাইটেল স্পন্সররা ব্যাপক সহায়তা প্রদান করেছে। এডুফেস্ট 3 কে একটি অবিস্মরণীয় অভিজ্ঞতা করে তোলার জন্য সকল অংশগ্রহণকারী, বক্তা এবং আয়োজকদের ধন্যবাদ। এদিনের অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন ব্যবস্থাপনা পরিচালক অরবিন্দ পান্ডে, নীলম পান্ডে, ভবানীপুর শিক্ষা সমিতির ডিন দিলীপ সাহা, 15টি দেশের বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের প্রতিনিধি, অ্যাব্রড এডুকেশনাল সোসাইটির টিম এবং মুম্বাই অফিসের স্বপ্নীল সহ অন্যান্যরা।
Hi, I'm Arvind Pandey, Director Abroad University. We are gathered here for our EdiForce at Park Hotel. Today we have almost 16 plus university reps came from different part of the world and having a EduFest here. We have students aligned for different destination in the world, and of course different EduFest keep happening in different part of the country, but here we are a bit different from others because here we are catering actual for the education, what actual student needs from us, all end-to-end support which we are supposed to give to the candidates, to the students for flying to the different destination. We are trying our best for that. Apart from that, we can, what best scholarship we can give to the candidates, to the students, willing students for flying abroad, and we are supporting them with all the best amenities available in different countries. So this is the best USP we can give. We have a great footfall here and we are looking ahead for the students going through us to the different destinations. हम लोग ऐसे जगह ही भेजते हैं जहां बच्चे कंफर्टेबल है, जहां जियो पॉलिटिकल कंडीशन स्टेबल है. As of now we are not targeting Canada, we are not targeting Australia जहां बच्चों को तकलीफ हो रही है. हम लोग ऐसी डेस्टिनेशन में भेजते हैं जहाँ बच्चों को वीजा आसानी से मिले और आसानी से वीजा मिलने के बाद उनको पढ़ाई में कोई तकलीफ ना हो, कोई डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो. इवन वी हेल्प देम फॉर पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स. वहाँ जाके उनको प्लेसमेंट के लिए भी try to create free profile for them so that they can get a good job there. So all end to end support जो होता है हम लोग बच्चों को देने की पूरी कोशिश करते हैं.
Recently started our branch in Thane, Mumbai, and Abroad University is it's a passion. It is not run by a person, but a person who is very passionate about his work, and that's how we come to know that we should have our branch office in Thane, Mumbai also, and our future plans are also there to expand in other states. Rathore, and this is the beginning, and Arvind sir is setting a new benchmark. The bar has been raised for the competitors that what we can do, nobody else can match to us.
From here in Kolkata.
Nazimus, I represent Webster University. Today I'm at the fest of Abroad University in Kolkata Park Street, and I represent US University Webster. It's in St. Louis, Missouri. It's one of the most affordable destination, and if you're looking into STEM programs, it is the go-to university for you.
Seema Biswas. Today I am attending EduFest 3 invited by Abroad University, and I am representing Villa University for US. Please do visit this fair and get scholarships and application fee waiver. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harsh Pagaria. I am the Assistant Country Manager for Nanyang Institute of Management, Singapore. Our school was established in 2001. Okay, we are completing almost 25 years of education and achievement next year. Why Nanyang? Because Nanyang has got a lot of industrial relevant courses. We have paid internship program in hospitality and tourism management. We have MBA. We offer good amount of scholarship for the student, deserving students. We have logistic management courses and very variety of courses which are maximum industrial relevant. So I would advise the students to come Nanyang. Okay, mark your career here, and definitely it's a very good and golden opportunity to stay in Singapore after completion if you get good job opportunities. Thank you so much. My name is Harsh Pagaria. Assistant Country Manager, Nanyang Institute of Management, Singapore.
Accommodation provider. We have accommodations in 60 plus countries as of now, with major markets like UK, Australia, US, Canada, and Europe as well. So basically, the students who are going to who are going abroad for their further studies in these universities, we help them with their accommodations. It's an end-to-end process from our side. So from the time when they reach out to us, citing the university and the budget that they want, we help them with the options, and from there onwards, we help them book the accommodation as well. And our support does not end over there. It goes up until the time that they are living in the accommodation as well.
So basically, Gandhan is providing education loan. We are already empaneled with 15 plus lender like Public Bank, National, Private Bank, and NBFCs. So we are providing loan all across India, pan India, and we have already last year disbursed around 3,000 crores in loan. And we are the official partners of Credila, SBI, and PNB. And we are empaneled with 15 plus lenders. Thank you.
All right. So thank you so much. I'm Summer with my colleague Somdatta. We are from GEDU. We are such a large brand in terms of international education. We have our campuses in US, Australia, Spain, Germany, France. And such a great thing about GEDU, we are recently in partnership with UNITAR, which is a body of United Nations Institute for Training and Research, to provide such a quality and accessible education to our student. And yes, we are also providing progressive education to the student. Let's suppose someone is not fitting for the international education, we are sending them to our UAE campus where they are finishing their 2 year and moving forward to any of the GEDU's destination to finish their final year and getting the same right. Let's suppose I started 2 years in Dubai, finishing in Germany, I'm getting the same post-study work right.
Basically, we are from University of Roehampton, which is located in central London. It is a MOE-based university, except Punjab and Haryana. All the students from India, they have fees. Planning for UK, you can just opt for option of University of Roehampton.